Welcome to one of Middle Tennessee's grandest estates. This is 9600 Concord Road. As soon as you walk through these doors, you can't help but notice the unbelievable entryway. The millwork is extraordinary, and look at these original paintings by Pamela Spica. Just a hint of what's to come. It's a good thing that this home is built on a commercial steel frame because I have never seen a larger fireplace than this. The architectural details in this living room are unbelievable. When I look at the 650-pound crystal chandelier from Prague, I am blown away, and you will be too. There are so many things about this home that make it truly unique. Here is one of them, a secret door in the study. This is the perfect place to enjoy a cognac or a good book right in front of the cozy fireplace. Here's one of the most unique features of all, a light fixture signed by the one and only Dolly Parton, who frequently was a guest at the estate. Woo! Now this is not something you see every day, a gold piano in an enormous entertainment room. Imagine your friends and family enjoying karaoke, game night, the big game, or your favorite movie. Hopefully you're a cook because this kitchen is made for a chef. With a Viking 6-burner gas stove, a Gaggenau double oven, Bosch dishwasher, huge double wine cooler, and a Sub-Zero refrigerator. You have it all. This master suite is truly fit for king and queen. You can wake up to a stunning rotunda every day. The ensuite has a large jacuzzi tub, dual vanities, dual water closets, and a steam shower. I'm pretty sure that this closet is bigger than my first apartment. Could you imagine trying to even fill it up with all of your clothes and purses and gowns and shoes and... We are now inside of the private guest apartment. This space allows your visitors to have their own place to hang out. Need a home office? In-law quarters? Well, this is it. There's plenty of room in this garage for any car in your collection, even a pink Rolls Royce. If you thought you had it all, well, guess again. Welcome to the ballroom. You can have private concerts in here. Maybe display a car collection, create a basketball court, or maybe even an indoor pool. With a commercial kitchen and 5 bathrooms, wow, the possibilities are literally endless. Isn't this estate amazing? If you're interested in this property or other incredible properties like it, contact me, Rebecca Norris DiNapoli.